Hello, my name is James, and I broke my leg. Everything was broken, and I couldn't walk. And inside my knees, everything was broken, and the hospital couldn't get help in the hospital. Then Shembe came here to the park by Mega City, and I talked to Shembe, and Shembe pointed his hand like this on my leg, called the healing from God, and after that Shembe said that my leg is healed, and my leg came from God. By magic, everything came right. I got my healing, and I thank you, Shembe, to make me walk. And Shembe UNyazi Butslani is the way. And my name is James Sitaram. Shembe love all of you. Amen.
When was that?
It was 9 years ago.
9 years ago.
Yes, but I thank you, Shembe, for making me walk. Amen.
Amen. God bless you. God bless you.
Amen.
Thank you, man.
Thank you.
Yeah.